So for homework 7, we can look at the requirements right here. We're going to establish a manufacturing in Adempiere and create 3-part products. Then we're going to establish the parts and order them as well as receive them from the suppliers so you have them for manufacturing. Establish the bill of materials, establish a manufacturing order to make 100 of such items for sale. Establish a sales order for manufactured parts and show the end results. Alright, so the first part, to create the 3 different parts, we can show that here that we already created the parts and now they're in the warehouse. So the parts we created are the bike frame. It's in the warehouse of the fertilizer. We created the bike bag or bike box. It's also in the fertilizer warehouse. And then we created the bike pedals, which is in the fertilizer warehouse. So that just shows the 3 parts. Next, we can order the parts and receive them from suppliers. So to do this, we can look at manufacturing resources. So we can just toggle back and forth, and this just shows the different bike assemblies and whatnot. And then we also have the manufacturing workflows. Right here, that should show the products as assembled. So right here it shows that we already assembled the products. And now we need to establish a bill of materials. So we can go into here. We're under the bike manufacturing product because we already put the 3 parts under it. It's our parent product, and then we have our bike frame, which is under the, it's in there. And we can go back. We can find back to the bike manufacturing, bill of materials, and then we have the bike frame, the bike pedals, and the bike bag all under the parent product of the bike manufacturing. So that's what we're looking for. This is just to show the bill of materials under bike manufacturing. And then our manufacturing order. So right here, order number 800001, and give it a high priority. We're going to promise it on the 29th, so tomorrow. And we created a batch of 55. And here it asks for 100, but we just want to make it 55 so it stand out a little bit more than just zeros dropping. So then we established a sale, and we can look at the material receipt, and it goes to patio fun, receipt line, bike manufacturing, and it shows it right in there. So now to show the end result, we can look here, back at our warehouse. Let's drag this down. A little bit of trouble getting it down here. Alright, so our warehouse right here. It's going to show that 55 orders were created for bike manufacturing, so this is our sales order right there. So that completes the order, showing here that it came out of the warehouse.